Ever feel like your day just disappears with nothing done? You start with a plan, but distractions take over. Well, there's a simple trick that highly successful people use. It's called time blocking. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how this technique can transform your productivity. Time blocking is simple. You schedule your entire day into dedicated time slots. Instead of reacting to tasks randomly, you plan ahead and assign specific times for deep work, meetings, breaks, and even fun. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Write down everything you need to do today. Step 2. Assign each task a specific time slot on your calendar. Step 3. Stick to the schedule. When it's time to switch tasks, move on. Why does this work? It eliminates distractions, reduces procrastination, and helps you stay in control of your day. Even Elon Musk and Bill Gates use time blocking to manage their packed schedules. Want to take full control of your time? Start time blocking today and watch your productivity skyrocket. If this was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's master productivity together.